Salutations, y'all! Welcome back to the Righteous Nerd. And as you guys can see, we have some updates here. I do wish I could say that I've solved all the problems. One problem is being remarkably persistent, and I can actually show you that right here, right now. With a lacking monocle lens. That monocle is just being like the most annoying thing. I will say, before this happened, I did manage it to go to gray, which is important distinction in this capacity on the basis that, if you remember from the last video, it was a purple color, or magenta I should say. That essentially means that the system is registering it as broken, to put it simply. Gray means it's at least connected, it's just not fully there yet. So, and then it's blank now because reasons. I don't believe, in fact, I can double check right now. I don't believe I have. Yeah, only monocle glass is toggled as being invisible, which means monocle angel, that would be the spirit vision, the spiritual element, Elijah's ability to look into the spirit world there. That should be visible, and it's not, obviously. But we did correct whatever the duplicate problem thing we were getting. I have no idea what that was still. Still don't fully know the cause, and I say this because as I was trying to fix the monocles issue, I somehow ended up fixing the duplicate issue. So I have no idea how that works, other than it's working. If my latest if when I get the monocle fix and it breaks duplicate again, I'll be fixing that. One thing I will say is that this next week I do plan to work on other things that are necessary, such as enemy AI. I'm praying that's not going to be too difficult. But yeah. And in fact, I can actually show you guys here. Go to there. Viewport. So this is clearly registering. And that's clearly registering. If I go to here, all that's doing correctly. Okay. We might be close now, because this is now not registering as it once did. So it was at one point registering with essentially a map or a mesh-like filter of this on this spherical object right here. So I'm gonna say we're getting closer, guys, but it's being persistent is all I really have to say for that. So yeah, I'll spend some time with monocle this week. I don't intend to spend all my time unless I fix it, in which case hip hip hooray, and I can share that with y'all next week. But next week, or this week I should say, next week is in a week from today, I do plan to, like I said, work on enemy AI. I'm hoping that's not to be too difficult. Hopefully. Prayers to God and all that good stuff. We're going to go ahead and put you down there. The debugger here this is literally just saying that the viewport texture, it's the same error I've been getting the last couple days. So, yeah, you'd think this would be an easy issue to solve. With that being said, as you guys saw the thumbnail, we got the new boss. Dr. Sangward, or Sangard, or Sangward. I want to say it's going to be pronounced Sangward. But yeah, just ignore whatever text this is. I did not tell Gemini to generate that. That was on its own. But she's going to be the replacement boss for that Mesopotamian god I did research on. But yeah, she's going to be the new boss of the hospital level, essentially. So, yeah, Dr. Sangward. And then, as obvious, guys, the original, still Unity build of this tech demo is still up there. Um, I may or may not have. I'll probably get this up once I get a working build with the monocle. Once that happens, I'll probably do it. I don't think I'll push it. I might extend it until I get working um, enemy AI. So, in any such instance, thanks guys for watching. If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe if you want to see more.